beat the Kings the other night in Sacramento at what would have been a franchise record 28 made threes. That game was crazy. The Warriors, the staff is solid, the roster's deep. Excited about this year.
We were saying Stackhouse's vibrato is palpable.
Kyle Anderson, Zarba, Josh Tibbin. Mike Brown wants him to shoot more perimeter shots. You saw Draymond DeRozan heading into the front court. Keegan Murray, nice show and go and finish.
He's smooth.
I tell you, DeRozan played more minutes than any player in the NBA last year. In the last 5 years, he's been indestructible. Slow-mo hits a couple.
Jumper looks a little smoother. He's giving off no wasted motion there. And the ball handling, too.
Keegan Murray, when he was a rookie, couple steals both ways. Ellis is known more for a defender, but pretty confident. Steph, always a good rebounder for his size. Moses patient and finish. That's beautiful right there. They're going to keep launching him. 2 of 4 tonight. Aaron Fox.
Single year. And sometimes you can't tell by looking at him how powerful he is. GP2 is not weak, and he just moved him.
Moses Moody.
He gets his shot off so comfortably and easily. He's a mid-range monster.
Draymond for 3. Draymond Green. And then they play OKC to get 2 Jalen Williams. What's going on here? Steph Curry would knock it down to 3. With Kevon Looney. Steph down the lane. Steph to finish. You know what happened there? It's just a throwaway.
Keegan Murray saw that when he peeled off his step and was there.
Sabonis gets a layup out of it. Steph knows that, but and some of playing all these different combos, as you will have some sloppiness. Podziemski's worked on that 3.
Seeing, making sure you don't get caught in the air, knowing where everybody is.
Podziemski had nowhere to go there. Looney bailed him out. Buddy Hield, 40% three-point shooter for his career in the NBA, and it's Hield more than Steph.
Well, that's what Podziemski's going to do. He's going to threaten. He's going to get into the paint.
Mason Jones, nice cut without the ball there. The game is so different. The Warriors have just been sloppy with the ball. And he sends DeRozan away, but Ellis did not. A little counter move action. Mike Dunleavy's going to join us to begin the quarter. And DeMar DeRozan just going to score from everywhere.
You're already thinking about your plus-minus thing?
Aaron Fox with the trail 3 there and dropping it in.
They're getting into the playoffs.
Yeah, I mean, I think we want to worry about ourselves first and foremost as the season gets going. Downhill, get fouled, get to the rim. Rebounding is really important for him.
Steve doesn't normally throw out numeric goals as Jeremy.
Communication, in-game communication, but I spend a lot of time with our team, whether it's on the road or at home at practice, those types of things. It's good.
Seems to get an opportunity. That's when a GM says, yeah, I got you too many good players. How about that?
Oh, my God.
In general,
they're not all easy shots.
No.
Deep shots, off weird platforms.
Speaking of the guy who makes a lot of shots, DeMar DeRozan, who said the Warriors won the title in 2022. It's players 7, 8, 9 teams down because you have more depth than they do.
Yeah, for sure. The depth thing matters. I mean, you want that. I mean, it's a long season. There's going to be injuries. There's going to be foul trouble, all those types of things.
Sabonis put it in.
No doubt about it. I mean, being
team for the foul line. Moses 1 of 2 there. DeRozan to Sabonis.
Get it to TJD with DeMar DeRozan guarding him.
Moses. We did get into TJD with a miss, an offensive rebound, and a putback. How about that? His defender. Kyle Anderson, you can't play DeRozan any better than that. Moody running the floor. And Moses right to the rim. What a fight by the Kings, like the Warriors rolling up there, launching 28 made threes and beating in their own building. And DeMar DeRozan, speaking of quick hitter and closing.
Championship, winning our first 2 years. I think that's pretty special. But more importantly, it's the Beckham competitive. We're selfless and we work really hard. I think those are going to be key ingredients.
So Natalie's going to hang with us for a little while with Kyle Anderson and D'Anthony Melton hitting that 3. Jeep Vanderveer, who's an incredible coach at Stanford, record-setting. And I just think maybe fans don't get the idea. Basketball's...
She could pass. She can get in your face. And she's just very, very competitive. And no, I'm not surprised. She has helped the W in a great, impactful way. And now we're just moving forward with her energy.
Kiana. Clock at 4. But he's got to create something out of nothing, and he does all the way to the cup.
You had all the movement.
It's 7-3. 6'3", but wingspan of 7'3". As Kuminga hits a 3.
That's a confident stroke he's got there. Off the dribble, letting defenders off the hook. When he got inside, he started dominating in there. Now he's a problem.
Moody missing that three. The long leak out to Keon Ellis. And that's a good finish by De'Aaron Fox. He didn't give up on that play. And that was great defense by Keon Ellis. So I'd say Sacramento was taking this game very seriously. And Sabonis following in his own miss. And Steve Kerr going to use the timeout.
Right? Klay Thompson, all these guys are brothers to him, and they compete when they see him, but off the court, they're great friends still. He can run this stuff up. It's beautiful.
Thank you to Anthony Melton with Looney. Eddie Hield and Moses Moody. So a nice play. Crawford saw that the whole way, knocked it away. Keegan Murray able to finish. Keegan Murray 6'8". Like he knew where to go, and Wendy Waters came to bail him out. Shot clock at 2. Moses all the way to the rim. Winning down. Hey, thanks. Yeah, I didn't foul him, but Moses got him on the face.
Now why'd you call him Moses?
Dominga! We've seen the turnaround. Shot clock at 5. Drop it down to Isaac Jones. Nice score inside.
So that's what he did.
So Isaac Jones holding on Kuminga. Shot clock at 7. Banging, bumping, flipping it up and in. And so he's got a post game.
Yeah, he's got that back.
He landed awkwardly, but he's okay. Crawford will launch that 3 and drop it in. So not got a lot of scoring either way there for Ellis. And there's DeAnthony Melton. What a good defender. He just took that away and then went right to the rim.
Smart. No one stopped him. Why not go all the way?
Jaden McDaniel's brother was acquired from Toronto. Ellis and Coletta said shooter. And Steve Kerr takes a timeout right away. They did it by Memphis. 33rd pick out of UConn. Got out a 2-way contract. That's a nice finish by Kobe Jones there. Charlotte. Warriors turn it over. That's been the problem tonight. 22 giveaways. Boogie Ellis can shoot. Moody rocks into a 3. Got another one. Moses, 21. Crawford driving. Melton moved his feet. Crawford missing there. And Isaac Jones, productive offensive rebound. And Boogie Ellis.
Told you.
He's this defensive guard at Virginia.
They're trying to get the post with a small defender on him.
Wendy Waters attacking and finishing. And a blocking foul. And an opportunity for a 3-point play. Don't leave Boogie Ellis. He misses a 3. Guy Santos, good closeout. Guy on the leak out. Guy Santos to lay it up and in and draw the foul. Looking for Isaac Jones. Now Jones will use that. Out to Crawford. A little show and go. Brent Post contested, but credit Crawford. 1-point game here. Isaac Jones dropping it off. Boogie Ellis, the show and go, and he got it in the lead.
Pat Spencer came to double team from an awkward position that left the cutter open. That's where the problem started.
Back-to-back Kings buckets after the Warriors have the 3-point advantage. The Warriors go to for offense here. Spencer inside, and the Warriors back on top. Here comes Boogie Ellis. Isaac Jones will shoot a 3 off back iron, long rebound. 8 seconds left. Mason Jones thought about it. Foul him right now. Good. And he turns around and shoots a 3. And the Warriors, Lindy Waters comes up with the rebound and the win.